Hi, welcome to the Cancuncards website. If you're watching this, you probably received a little certificate like this. And you might be wondering, what is this thing and what does it do? Glad you asked. See, that's the whole purpose of this little movie, to show you what it is, how it works, and where you can redeem it. But before we start, let's get the most commonly asked question out of the way. Is this for real? Yes, this certificate is 100% legitimate. This vacation certificate gives you hotel accommodations in beautiful Cancun for you and your family, all for a small fee and any applicable taxes. Imagine being able to relax at one of the safest and most beautiful destinations in the Mexican Caribbean. A place as exciting and awe-inspiring as it is beautiful and relaxing. From sunny beaches to lush jungles and ancient ruins. From eco-adventure experiences to luxury yachting, you're guaranteed a unique experience for every member of your family. You even decide where you want to stay. Choose from the beautiful beachfront ocean spa hotel or the cozy Laguna Suites overlooking scenic Nichupte Lagoon. You can also upgrade to our Hacienda Tres Rios at a preferred rate. This environmentally friendly luxury hotel functions as part of the landscape itself. Nestled between the mangrove and the beach, this 326-acre resort sits atop 3 natural rivers beside one of the largest reefs in the world. Truly a place you have to experience to believe. In Cancun, all of our properties are connected, so stay in 1 and play in 4 with discounted rates on excursions and tours, spa and wellness, golf options, boating and water sports, or any number of beach activities. As far as getting here, we'll help with that too. Whatever you need, upgrades, transportation, daily activities, let us be your guide. Just give us a call and we'll set it up for you. The only thing left to do is complete the registration process and all this is yours. Cancuncards, one certificate, endless possibilities.